अच्छी दोस्त है कॉलिन, उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया है और अगेन इट्स फॉर अ वेरी गुड कॉज। मतलब बच्चों के लिए कार्डियल फाउंडेशन वर्क करता है, तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी हियर, आई एम हैप्पी टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट। मतलब इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक यू नो, इट जस्ट फील गुड, दैट्स अबाउट इट। कोशिश यही होती है कि अवेयरनेस जितना हो सके उतना ज़्यादा स्प्रेड हो पब्लिक में। हमारा जो भी हिस्सा है वो हम कर सकते हैं, बाकी सब डिपेंड करता है। बट सो येस, इट डज स्प्रेड आउट टू द पीपल दैट वी बीइंग पार्ट ऑफ सच अ कॉज, वी inspire you guys to be a part of such cause too.
Well, I'm really happy that Cuddles Foundation is doing such a great job because I feel that when a child is suffering, especially from cancer, nutrition becomes even more important. And I don't think there's any foundation or anybody who's paying attention to this. And the fact that since 2 years Cuddles Foundation is doing it, it's commendable. And I'm glad to be part, and I plan to be associated with them in future as well, because as a doctor, as a mother, and as to be nutritionist, I think it's a great fit, and I think that I should be able to help children a lot more.
Well, actually, my friend Colleen, she was telling me about this event a month back, and if I wanted to come, and I said, of course, I would like to come here. I would love to come here, and even I want to support this because this is actually something that I was not aware of. So I'm very happy that I'm aware of this now, and I truly want to support it.
Well, I'm here to support Cuddles, which is a charity that provides nutrition to children who are going through cancer and who are in need of also nutrition and financial support. And it's such a worthy cause because cancer is a very, very frightening disease. But when a child has cancer, it becomes very, very heartbreaking. And even if a child is getting chemotherapy, if they're not getting the adequate nutrition, they're still in danger of dying. So I think that it's really commendable what Cuddles is doing because they have identified the one problem which we need to address. And so I'm really happy to be here tonight and supporting I think the art is fantastic as well. The exhibition is such a great idea, and I'm looking forward to the entertainment as well tonight.
I think ये पहली बार मैं इतने इस कॉज के साथ एसोसिएट हो रही हूँ. इट्स द फर्स्ट टाइम एक्चुअली सेलिब्रिटीज़ बीइंग एसोसिएट विद Cuddles फाउंडेशन. और जब मुझे ये मौका मिला ये करने का, आई थिंक आई जम्प्ड एट इट राइट अवे, क्योंकि ऐसे फाउंडेशन और ऐसे एनजीओ को सपोर्ट करना नॉट एवरीबडी इज़ अवेयर ऑफ इट. तो मी बीइंग अ पब्लिक फिगर, आई थिंक जितना मैं कर सकूँ फॉर एवरीबडी टू बी अवेयर कि ऐसा एक फाउंडेशन है कॉल्ड Cuddles फाउंडेशन, आई एम हैप्पी टू डू माई बिट.